Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be building out the amenities section for the property details screen. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is go into my components folder and create another section. And we're going to call it amenities section. Now for this we'll just export const amenities section. And we will have it take in a property, though we won't be using the property because this one is kind of just a placeholder. And that property type is going to be property. So let's just return an empty fragment for now. And let's go back to our property details section and import that. So import amenities section. Then we'll say amenities section here, passing in the property. And let's put a divider underneath of that. Alright, so let's go back to the amenities section. Alright, so the first import here, or first set of imports, is going to be style sheet, text, and material community icons. And from our local components, let's also import row and bulleted list. Then within this fragment, let's create a text component with a category of H5, and it will say amenities. And down below, let's create our styles. We're going to have a row, text, and default margin vertical. Margin vertical is going to have a margin vertical of 10. Now underneath of that, we will display a row with the style of styles.row, which is align items to center and padding vertical of 10. And within that row, we will have a material community icon with the name of Google Circles Communities. Color is black and size is 24. And the text will say Community Amenities, and that will have a category of H6. Now, underneath of this row, we will have a bulleted list with a heading of services, and we'll just pass in a string array with one string called controlled access. Then we'll have another bulleted list where the heading is interior, and then pass in another string array with some different strings in it. Next will be outdoor space, and picnic area is going to be in there along with some other strings. And the last one is going to be fitness and recreation with a couple fitness and recreation strings. Now underneath of that, we'll create a row, and within that we'll have a material community icon with the name of Toy Brick Outline. Color is black and size is 24. And then we'll have some text which says apartment features. Category will be H6 for that as well. And underneath of this row, we'll have a bulleted list for the kitchen, the living space, and the outdoor space. And that's how you create the amenities section. So if you want dynamic data within this, you would just add these various different fields into your property object. And then whenever the user is creating a property, you would just have them fill out these fields in that creation process. And it's pretty much the same thing that we're doing with features at this point. Or we haven't really gotten to property creation, but that's what we will be doing. So just keep that in mind. In the next video, we will continue with another section for the property details screen. So stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.